Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the meal management within the GoodX Web App. In this video, we will start on a meal management screen. We will now examine the contents of the screen and explain them accordingly. We will start by adding a new meal to the menu. Click on a new meal button. The Edit Meal screen will open. Meal template consists of your pre-set up meals per time of day. If no meal templates have been set up before, simply tick the Save as Template Meal checkbox. With the Save as Template Meal checkbox enabled, the new meal template will be created upon saving. If you wish not to save this meal as a new template, simply untick the checkbox. Meal name refers to the name of the new template. Click on a meal name field and enter the desired name for the template. Start refers to the starting date and time you wish the meal template will be utilized for. Click on a start date field to open the calendar and make a selection. Next, click on a time field and select the relevant starting time of the meal. Like start, the end refers to the ending date and time you would like the meal template to end. Click on the date and time fields and select the relevant options. Cutoff time for meal refers to the time in minutes the meal will be available once it starts. Click on a cutoff time for meal field and enter the relevant amount of minutes. Alternatively, you can utilize the up and down arrows to adjust the minutes manually in the field. Next, you are able to add meal choices to the template. Click on a new meal choice field and enter the desired meal choice for this meal template. With the new choice now added, click on the plus button to add more meal choices. You are able to add as many meal choices as you wish. To remove a meal choice, simply click on a minus button next to the desired meal choice. Click on a close button to exit the edit meal screen without saving the information entered. Click on a save button to save the meal template and return to the meal management screen. The newly added meal template will now display in a meal management screen. Click on a newly added created meal template. You will notice that two more buttons have appeared in the meal menu section. The Edit Meal button will allow you to edit and update information within the selected meal template. The Delete Meal button will remove the selected meal template from the list.